So the way the code is written is if you're on track 0 or track 12, which is opposite of track 0, and you press the select button here, it will initiate a 180-degree rotation. So that's how you would turn a locomotive, just with one button. The assumption is that you drive onto the turntable on either track 0 or track 12, and you want to spin it around. So there you can see it's now going to complete. It says it's on track 12. If I want to go up a track, I go up. So if it says you want to go to 13, I want to go to 14, 15, or down to reduce it. And once I get to the track that I want, I hit select, and the stepper starts rotating to that location. I have this set up so that the backlight will go off after some amount of time. I forget exactly now, but once the backlight goes off, you can press any button. Ideally, don't press reset, but press any button and that will bring the backlight back on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the reset now here and let you see it go through. Say it's now finding track 0, so you can see the stepper motor is seeking. And at the moment I have it just set up so that it pauses in between each track, just so I have an opportunity to push the button. This button here simulates what would be the track 0 detector, whether that's an optical or a micro switch of some kind. But once the stepper motor rotates the turntable, and at some point it will trigger something that indicates you've hit track 0, and you can see that it says it's now found track 0, and there you go. And again, now if I hit select while I'm on track 0, we'll initiate a 180-degree rotation. So the pieces of this project that I used, we have an Arduino Nano right here. I'm using a LCD button shield. This is a UL 2003, I believe is what it's called, driver board. And then this is a 28 BYJ48 stepper motor. So this motor is set up so that it has 2036 steps total per revolution, which gives us pretty good accuracy on being able to align. One thing that I still need to implement is I want to set this up so that if you push the left or the right buttons, that will increment one step at a time, 1/2000th of a degree at a time, 1/2000th of 360 degrees at a time, so you have fine control. So if it's not, for some reason, if the alignment gets off a little bit, you can then adjust it to get it just right. Probably also need to do something so that if you've done that, so if you're using the turntable, you tell it to go to track 3, let's say, and it's slightly off, then you can fine tune it, get it just lined up just perfectly, then have a button that you could press, which will then basically tell the Arduino, okay, calibrate to this setting. So this is a known track 3, and everything now will be relative to that.